DramaBox gift codes. Hey guys, in this video I will show you the DramaBox gift card. Alright, so let's begin. So here is DramaBox app and they have gift codes that you can just tap in here. Please enter code to receive free gifts. Like I was looking for these codes inside of the app, like looking on some forums on Reddit. I can't find it. I don't know why they even entered this input field here. Like why where to get this code. The redemption code can only be used to redeem free rewards and cannot be used to redeem coins or membership. The same code can only be used once per account. Each code has a validity period, can only be redeemed within this period. Each code has a maximum number of users who can redeem it. Once a redeem is reached, it can no longer be redeemed. So at the moment, I know it exists, but you can't find this code anywhere on Reddit or things like that. So yeah, unfortunately, that's just what you have here. Maybe they will update it later or there will be more codes available later. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.